Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets iPhone or iPad tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear Safari browsing history on your iPhone or your iPad. So this will clear all the history for all the websites you visited within the Safari browser on your iPhone or your iPad. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the settings on our iPhone or iPad. Once the settings open, scroll down until you see Safari. It should be directly below FaceTime. And once you get there, go ahead and select Safari. Now when we have Safari open, all we need to do is scroll down close to the bottom and you'll see a blue link that says Clear History and Website Data. Go ahead and select that. And as you can see in here, this does warn us that it will remove the history, cookies, and other browsing data from our phone and all the devices that are connected to your iCloud account. This will not delete your bookmarks, things like that. So now to actually clear the history and website data, all we need to do is select Clear History and Data, and then it's done. You can go ahead and open up Safari, and you have now cleared all your browsing history on your iPhone or iPad. All right, so that's how you clear Safari browsing history on your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more iPhone or iPad tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.